this video, we've got a bunch of really cool cars for you guys. A bunch of Matchbox and Hotwheel cars. We'll start off with this one first. This is a white Honda S2000 with green graphics. A really big spoiler in the back. Really shiny wheels. It looks super fast. Next we have this really pretty blue car. Blue with a white stripe down the middle. A really big spoiler in the back. Look at how big those tires are. It's a really cool car. Then we have this really shiny silver one. Look at how big that engine is in the front. Green windows. And look at the exhaust coming down the side. This car is number 6. Now we've got a purple race car. This is an old-fashioned race car. Really fast looking. See the roll cage in the back? Look at this car. This one is see-through. You can see right through it. You see the engine up front and the seats, steering wheel. Look how big those tires are in the back. Really big. This one is blue and orange, and it has a white roll cage across the top. Look at how big that engine is. It is huge. And 1, 2, 3, 4 exhaust pipes out the back. Really cool car. Now we've got this green car here. This one actually has soccer balls for the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4 soccer balls. I bet that car's really fast. Now we've got a drag car. It is a green Ford. Look at this. The whole car opens up so you can see the engine on the inside. That's a really cool car. Next we've got a lightning bolt car. This car is green and white and black, and it has a really big motor on the front of it. This car looks super fast. Now we have my favorite car, the red Corvette. That's a really nice Corvette. It's got carbon fiber on the roof. Really super fast. And now we have another Corvette. Except for this one's missing its roof. It's a convertible. Also really fast. Now we have this car. This is a really futuristic, cool looking car. Looks kind of like the Batmobile, but it's red and it has a black stripe down the middle. I wonder what kind of car this is. It's really awesome. Now we have a Camaro. This is a Copo Camaro. It's a Camaro drag car. White, and it has blue graphics down the side and on the hood here. Really nice car. There you have it. There's all your super fast race cars.